Hello, Manny Cockaflopoulos here. Don't adjust your sets today. What you're seeing is the beach. It's a little bit choppy out there. Fuck. That says it all. I wasn't sure if I'd get lucky or not because it's intermittent. But there you have it. People next to me have had enough. I don't know how the fuck could you leave now, ρε μαλάκα. Τι θα πας σπίτι να δεις, ρε. Don't fucking in my car when you're pulling out, too. Fucking κοιμισμένο. Ένα λεπτό. Fucking hell, ρε. The cola flavored kombucha, the sea salt balsamic vinegar chip. Fuck. You don't need to see Cockaflopoulos for this one. I'm just sharing with you the beauty that I'm seeing, that I'm feeling here being at the beach on my own as it begins to rain. Last night it was beautiful and mild and warm. I came and laid down on the sand by myself. Didn't have any fucking props or whatever, just had a plastic bottle, laid it down, rested my head on it. Just fucking meditated. It was sick, you know. And tonight, different vibes again. In my luck, I'm determined to make the most of this, what I see it as a second chance of living Bayside, living in this area that I was really enjoying living in about 15 years ago. And then I left for various reasons. I've thus returned. And who knows where the future may lead or what the future holds. But for now, it's going to be a fucking sick summer. That a certain someone referred to me as the rain. They said, if I'm the sunshine, you're the rain. And as that song goes, you know, I'm only happy when it rains, I'm only happy when it's complicated or whatever. I don't know about the complicated stuff. I don't fucking need things to be that complex anymore. Γιατί είμαι εγώ complexicos. But when it rains, I am fucking happy. So I guess I am the rain to a certain degree. And then my I pull out, stay there, or switch off your fucking lights, one or the other. Clapatsibano. You fucking with my lighting here. What more do you need, Rick? I'm filming this on my phone to share it with you people, so you can get a sense of it. It's not the same. It's not the same. Listen to that fucking thunder. Sick. So I see this opportunity of being at the beach, living by the beach, as a second chance, a second wind, and I'm determined to make the most of it. So, if any of you out there are feeling like you're getting a second chance or you've been given a second chance, I wish you all the best as well, and hopefully you're enjoying it. My parents used to tell me when it thunders, or tanbubunizi, there's a big old man, there's an old man in the sky and he's cracked it because He's upset because the yaya didn't cook the food right or something like that, so he's throwing the plates around. It's fucking beautiful there. How poetic is that? What do you say to Malaka? There are no words except for nice.